today I'm going to build the Lego Friends International School. So it's a very colorful school and so many classrooms, and I just love the cafeteria. So I'm just so looking forward to building this set. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay, so we have quite a lot of packages inside and it's making me feel so happy. So it's very colorful. It reminds me of the community center. So it's almost as colorful as the community center. So let's see the guidebooks. Let's see how many guidebooks we have. So we have 3 guidebooks and we have so many stickers. I guess stickers are an important role in this set. So 3 guidebooks and 7 packages of Lego. And first, this is Alia, and I'm just so happy because I really wanted to have Alia with her cardigan because she really wears those clothes a lot in the animation, but I never had one of those clothes. So I really wanted to have it, and finally I have Alia with her yellow and navy cardigan. It looks so good. So this is Ollie, and these clothes I already know. And by the way, this set is a 2023 set, which is 2 years ago, quite a long time ago actually. So we made Ollie with his camera, and this is Nico. So I already have several Nicos, and I love his jacket. I already have that jacket, but that jacket looks very cool. You know, Nico, actually wears that jacket quite a lot in the animation as well, and he also has some belongings in this set. So he has a skateboard, but we are not going to put any stickers in this skateboard, so it's a very plain looking green skateboard, and he also has a helmet for safety. So Nico with his skateboard, and we also have some other characters. So now let's make the other characters. So first, this is Autumn, and I love her like jacket or vest or something like that. It looks so cute. There's like these ladybugs drawn on it, I think, and there's like this a note, which is, I'm not so sure what it is, but it's a photo of like a hamster, and then there's like a carrot. So do hamsters actually eat carrots? I'm not so sure, or maybe it's not a hamster actually. I'm not so sure what that animal is. And we have another character, and it's very important. It's Miss Hale, and she is the school principal. They said that she was the principal when like Ronelio, like football player, very famous. He came to school, and then she also greeted him. And they said that she's the school principal, not president, principal. So we have 5 characters plus a mysterious animal. I still don't know what it is. So we have 5 characters with an animal, and we're going to start building the school now. I'm just so excited. And so I wonder what this place is going to be. So I'll tell you so that you don't have to guess. This part is my beloved cafeteria. The cafeteria is so fantastic. So awesome. So the cafeteria is on the right part, and then after we finish the right part, it's going to be the middle part, and then the left part. Yeah, it's kind of like that. Kind of reminds me of the build of the Emerald City. But the Emerald City, we started at the left part, and then middle, and then right part. So now we have really big windows, and we're going to have a lot of windows in this set. And so that window, we didn't put any glasses, so it's an open window. So I guess it's kind of like a door. Yeah, I suppose. And here we have like these yellow parts, and this is kind of like the place, like the pickup place, like when you order food from the cafeteria and then you can pick up the food. So Miss Hale is going to be very busy because she's just a principal, but in this set she has to teach everyone, and then she also has to be the principal, and then she also has to like make food at the cafeteria. So she's super busy. So we have sushi rolls. I suppose it's for Nico, because you know Nico kind of likes sushi rolls, right? And I think he's Japanese, I think. And this is like an international school, so it's very normal to have lots of foods around the world. I think it would have been better if there were more like kind of foods, but we just have sushi rolls and sandwiches, and that's all. So this is, I suppose this is the microwave or the oven or something like that. And I think it's more likely that it's the microwave, since I think a microwave is more necessary than the oven. So this is like the, like the air vent, kind of like that. So we turn it on when we're making food, right? So that the the air thing would just like go out. So this is the cash register, and then there's like sandwich and like juice, and there's like this little case where we can put like forks and chopsticks. Yeah, do you like pay when you eat it in a cafeteria? I think you don't really pay, right? Or maybe like it's not paying, but if you want some other food, like more, you pay. I'm not so sure how cafeterias work, Anyway, so we're going to put these smooth parts on the roof so that we can like remove the second floor and the first floor and stuff like that. And we finished the cafeteria first floor, and this is the cafeteria second floor. I love the way that the second floor, the floor is like grassy colors. It's very nature-like. I love it. And I think Autumn would love it too. Yeah, I think it'll be super, super fun playing with this set, And then you can also bring like the other characters, such as Paisley, Leo, Leanne, and what else? Anyway, the characters that was not included in this set. That will be so good. So this is the second floor. It's kind of like an opening, and then we also have another table here. If I go to school in this school, I'm definitely going to eat in the second floor, and I don't really like the first floor. It kind of feels like so like covered, but the second floor it's looks much better. Like I can feel like the fresh air. So we have stickers like sandwiches and hamburger and like apple and pear stickers. It feels so warm, right? Kind of like the sunlight. It's actually not the sunlight, but it's just light. But anyway, so we have more drinks and another sandwich, and there's like this cell phone that belongs to somebody. And I think the sandwich is kind of very simple. Like all that's inside is just lettuce. So I think it's not going to be very delicious. Anyway, we have some like plants growing in the second floor. So I suppose that's lettuce. And then we also have some like honeybees, or maybe they're not honeybees, just bees. And then more lettuce here. And oh, like that one is a flower. And this one is kind of like a little roof, but it's not totally covered because like I said, it's an opening. And then we have another bee over here. And this is like the solar panels. So Lego has so many solar panels. And of course, we also have two big solar panels on this set as well. So let's put this first floor and the second floor together. And now we've finished the cafeteria. So everything looks so fantastic and I just love it. And this place is also a part of the cafeteria. So we have stairs in this place. And that's how we can go up to the second floor, thanks to those stairs. And the stairs are like rainbow color, and it's very nice. Lots of colors. And we also have a little tree and also a trash can. I have so many trash cans now. I have so many colors, like trash cans. I have lots of light green, of course. And I also have some other nice colors that I can't really remember right now. But in this set, it's coral color. I think coral color trash cans, they sound very nice too. So little stairs over here. And then after that, we're going to put long stairs like this. So if we just make it like this, it looks rather simple. But thanks to all these bright colors, it's much more fancier now. There you go. And we have another green flower and coral color trash can that I've been telling you about, and a very small tree. So this set there isn't really a big tree, which is very nice actually, because it's actually not so fun building trees. It's rather boring. But anyway, like if it's a big set, it's like every set it has like small trees, but thankfully this set the tree is rather small, so I'm very happy about that. So this one, what is this one? I'm not so sure. Yeah. So yeah. What is this? I think this is maybe this is the thing that we're going to put on top of the stairs. I know. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. So we have a small bathroom, and the bathroom is also very cute. I really love the bathroom door because it really feels like an actual bathroom door that really exists in the real life world. Anyway, we have like water leaking a little bit, and these are the faucets. And it really kind of looks like a school faucet, but it's way more colorful because actual faucets, they're just all white, which is quite boring actually. So this is the bathroom, and I just can't wait to show you the bathroom door. And so by the way, we have like those tissue rolls. I'm not so sure if you saw them, but we have like those round white tissue rolls. Very cute. And soon we're going to put the doors. I just can't wait. So by the way, these are the mirrors because we also, of course, we need mirrors in a bathroom. Of course, that's must. That's not choosing. It's like must. Anyway, so this is like pumping soap. It's very nice because I don't really like soap in the school, but pumping soap is very nice. But these days all the soaps are pumping soap, so it's very nice. So this is the bathroom door, but like MTWTFXX, what does that mean? I'm not so sure what that means, but we also have a sticker, like a toilet shaped sticker, but I'm not so sure what it means, the things that's written on it. So we have orange color on top of the bathroom, and so the bathroom is actually rather small, so the bathroom is actually finished. And then wait, kind of like this, there you go. Plug the bathroom right next to the cafeteria. So the cafeteria and the bathroom and the stairs are finished, so the right part is all finished now, and they look so fantastic, right? So awesome. And time to build the middle part. So it's the beige color floor again, just like the first floor cafeteria floor. So I guess it matches the first floor like colors. And this one is kind of like the main hall where like people's announce, like teachers announce like it's class, like it's time to do class blah 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 or blah 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 and stuff like that. And we have a big main door here, and I just love it because we're going to put a lot of like these pink like transparent walls soon. And by the way, we have lights, and we're going to put the pink ones soon, pretty soon. There you go, looks so pretty, right? It reminds me of the Lego Friends airport and airplane set. I love that set, so cool, so wonderful. Yeah, I loved all those transparent colors. You know how much I love transparent colors, right? So this one, like I said, it's like the place where the teachers announce stuff, and there's also lockers, like locker area. I love the locker area. And some grassy bits in front of the school. And you know, in my school, I never had like lockers. You know, it's kind of different in my place. Like, there are just small lockers, like square shaped lockers behind the schoolroom. So it's not in the hallway. And I always loved like lockers out in the hallway. It seems so good to me. I'm not so sure why, but it seems cool, right? I just love lockers. And so far, I just have like just a little bit of lockers. The last one, the locker that I made, it was in the sports center, and this is like my second lockers. And then so we have like a what do you call it? Like a computer thing, and there's also a microphone to announce stuff. And this is the locker area. It's rather small. We just have two lockers, and all the lockers are orange color in Lego Friends Land. So I'm not so sure why. And we have like bubblegum and helmet inside. And the lockers are so cool. But I hope Lego will make it in some other colors as well. Maybe they just like using orange color because there are lots of like, you know, they also make like refrigerators orange color. And this locker, by the way, we have apple inside. And please Lego make some lockers into other colors too, and because I just love lockers. So anyway, the colors are there, like the locker colors, they're different, like the doorknob and the color on top of the locker, like it's like yellow and light pink. By the way, we also have a trophy on top of the lockers and also a clock outside and a bicycle. So let's put this together like this. So we finished the middle part, first floor, and this set is actually a big set, so it's actually rather hard to put it in one video, so I decided to separate it in two. So thanks for watching part 1 and see you in part 2. Bye bye.